Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can create a whiteboard presentation in your documents on Craft. So let us get started. Head over to your document and then create a new text line here and enter the command / and then you can insert or type in the first letters and choose insert whiteboard. So that's your whiteboard presentation here. To double click into it to access it, and now you're inside the presentation. So here you can, for example, use the panning tool to pan across your whiteboard presentation. Select it, left click, and hold your left mouse to pan across it. Now we haven't added any shapes yet, so let us add, for example, a rectangle for the sake of this tutorial to our presentation. We can assign a stroke color, a background color, change the opacity, and so on and so forth. Let me add also a circle with a different background color, different stroke color, and then you can add arrows, lines, draw by hand, and so on and so forth. Insert images, text, use the eraser. And to zoom out, guys, use these options here in the bottom left, and these edits will be then saved so that you can click into these three lines here, export the whiteboard as an image, reset the entire canvas, or return to the previous menu. And as you can see, a whiteboard will be saved as a preview here so that you may access it here via your document page, and click into these three dots here, for example, to open it again or to delete it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.